Hey everyone, it's no secret that ChatGPT can now create amazing designs. Just look at this, a huge variety of styles. Just say what you want and ChatGPT will make it. Comic style, doodle, vaporwave, graffiti, any kind of typography, and now it writes without typos. When the latest update dropped, I immediately saw new possibilities, and I remembered a method I used even before ChatGPT existed. But back then, it wasn't easy. Honestly, it was mostly luck. Sometimes, when researching what sells, I'd stumble upon simple-looking text designs that sold really well, and occasionally, I could clearly see how that design could be way more eye-catching. But as I said, that didn't happen often. First, because it takes some imagination and sense of style. I had some imagination, sure, but I wasn't very strong on design styles back then. Second, if you're not a graphic designer like me, even if you picture a cool design in your head, it doesn't mean you can actually make it. With ChatGPT, now all of this is easy and fast. And that brings me to the point. A couple of days ago, I finished a full guide based on this exact method. And it's not just theory. There, I'll show you one of my designs that used this method. And that design alone has brought me over $10,000 in profit. That's not revenue from selling shirts. That's net profit from one design. Here's a video where I show the design and the real earnings. Then I break down exactly how the method works, how to find products where it applies. I show two ways. One is completely free, the other uses paid tools. But honestly, the free method is even more convenient and effective. I made the guide so that you don't need to buy anything else to use the technique. I really hate when people sell you a guide, and then you find out you need a couple $100 more to get started. This isn't that. Then I show two ways to use the technique, the creative path and the lazy path. Both use ChatGPT. Don't worry about the word creative. It's all simple and clear. Next, the prompts for the fast path. There are 29 styles, and each one comes with a prompt. You just copy, paste it into ChatGPT, update with your quote, and boom, a ready-to-use design. On the left, the prompt. Next to it, a preview image of the kind of design you'll get in that style, plus a video showing the prompt, the design, and in most cases, the follow-up prompts I used to get the final version. I also briefly cover upscalers, why you need them, and the tools you can use. Then, a quick wrap-up. Here's a cheat sheet with universal prompts, all 29 styles summarized, and a few helpful tips. This guide is pure content, no filler, no fluff. Any digressions are either on topic or close to it. There's no bloated theory written just to take up space. Everything in here is practical and tested. After going through this guide, you'll never again wonder what to make for your print-on-demand store. That just won't happen. You won't be uploading whatever just to fill a slot. Everything you make will have real potential. Of course, if you absorb the info and follow through with it. The guide is on my website, and that's where you can buy access. Until May 1st, it costs $27. After that, the price goes up to $39, maybe even higher, because I know this guide creates my own competitors. The countdown you see on the site isn't fake. On May 1st, the price changes automatically. That's it for today. Whether you buy my guide or not, I wish you success in this business and all the best.